In this lesson, I'll show you how to convert between mass and the number of moles. Let's start with question 1. Calculate the amount of carbon in moles contained in a 0.0265 gram pencil, which we typically call lead. Assume that the pencil lead is made of pure graphite, a form of carbon. What we have to do here is take the amount of carbon that's in this lead, 0.0265 grams. What we have to do now is find out what the atomic weight of carbon is, and this can be found on a periodic table. I'll pull up my periodic table now. As you can see, the atomic weight is 12.0107. So let's write that down. 12.0107, and the units here are grams per 1 mole. What we have to do is multiply the mass that we have been given to the atomic weight that we just found. You can actually multiply this in two ways. The first way is multiplying this to this, or multiplying this to the reciprocated version of this fraction. So instead of this mole being at the bottom, it's at the top, and this gram's at the bottom. Now if that's confusing to you, watch. I'm going to flip this, where I end up with 1 mole at the top and 12.0107 grams at the bottom. The reason why I'm doing this is, you see these grams and this gram unit, it cancels out. Much like if you were to divide two numbers that are the same, like 10 divided by 10 is 1. Gram divided by gram is also 1. The unit that you're left with is mole. So let's multiply 0.0265 times 1, which we don't need to do, but we'll do it anyway, divided by this number at the bottom, 12.0107. This gives us 2.2 times 10 to the power of negative 3 moles. Every number after the 0 is insignificant, but because this number, the first discarded number, is greater than 5, this will go up. So we have 2.21 times 10 to the power of negative 3 mole. That is the amount of carbon found in this amount of pencil lead. If you want to see the solutions to questions 2 and 3, make sure to watch part 2 of this series. We'll see you soon.